Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video I'm making this video because I got several questions regarding my previous video and I just want to answer them. And here the first question is, what is dense layer? Let me show you what is dense layer. So dense layer or fully connected layer is a layer that all the neurons in that layer is connected to the next one, the next layer. Okay, something similar to what we have in this project. This is the first question. And about the second question, so someone asked me how we can actually change the weights. So they asked me to change the weights for the year 2023. Okay, I just change it to 2, and for the rest of the weights I'm using 1. And so in this part I just created an array of 1 with the same shape as y is. Okay, and after that I just change it for the year 2023 to 2. Okay, and after that I'm using train test split, and in that you can actually get the weights for train and test data. All right, and here I'm just a little bit describing about why we're using this model. So by using model sequential, you actually initialize your model. And after that I'm using LSTM as just if you just saw my previous video, you know that I'm using LSTM because I'm using stock market prediction, and in stock market we need to actually know about the previous data, and I'm using LSTM. And about the units 15, it's like the input, it's like the output, and it's like the output. We had 15 outputs for this layer, and the input shape is like extreme shape that we have as our input. And here I just use 2 layers because I want to keep it simple. And in this one, because I have only 1 output, and the reason I'm getting 1 is this one. All right, and I just compile the model, and after compiling, so I want to predict, do some prediction. Also I want to see the R2 score to see the accuracy of my model. And the second question I got is why you are reshaping prediction. The reason is because my prediction and y test have to be the same, because when you using R2 score you need to both of them be in the same shape, and this is the reason that I'm trying to using reshape. All right. And if you see one more thing here, the accuracy is much lower than previous video. The reason is because in previous video I had 2 layers. I had 1 hidden layer that I deleted in this project. I want to say if we have hidden layers, that's gonna increase our accuracy. Okay guys, thank you so much, and see you in next video. Bye.